Alright, so welcome again. Another day again, back at it. So today is kind of without much talking. We're back at it. We got the lift. So what I'm going to do right now is just let it swing by itself so we can see exactly where or we can position it, bring it forward or what. So got the lift, gonna position that and swing it the engine up so we can adjust where the mount is going to go and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to do that, remove the blocks from underneath and stuff. So that's where we're at. Let's get to it. Alright, so got the engine swinging on its own. So basically I can turn where I want it to go and set it and stuff like that. So I got this pipe already bent. So already bent for the engine mount. I'm going to put it something like that. So the engine mount can swing on it instead of the body itself. Because the body of the car is weak. So this part is very thin. So I have to get the pipe run across here, get it welding and stuff like that to swing the engine mount on it. So got the engine swing. I'm gonna work on the pipe, see if we can get some brackets together and stuff like that. Slight change of plan. We're going fabricating the engine mount. Okay, so originally I was going to put a piece of pipe and weld the engine mount on it, but get some second opinions and I'm going to plate just like how you see it here. We plate it and then we weld the engine mount on it, and the engine mount bracket on it. So it works pretty well. And then here now, this engine mount, we got a bracket build on it, and then we're going to build the next bracket just like the first one and plate it and then put it on. Okay, so getting the plate prepared for this side, getting the plate bent and so on for that side. But on this side now, on this side I cut a piece of metal that I want to weld across the two bar to tighten them or to hold it in place. So I'm gonna get that tack now. Small update from of where we're at. Got this welding. Actually, this is just tacking at the moment until we get it properly well. So we're trying to do the mount for here. We got this plated as well to strengthen the body. as this is weak. So we're going to build the mount for this engine mount here, and then we move on from there again. This is where we're at for right now. That's a quick update. So right now I'm cutting out some plates for the engine mount here. Just cutting it out. Okay, that's basically it for the night. Just a quick update on what we're doing here. Plating. So that's basically the plate for the gearbox side. Right. This is the other side there. So we have one more mount to do at the back. So this is basically how it will stay. These are going to weld out. Basically we just tack it in. We're going to try to plate under there as well. So this is where we're at. Long time I don't do any updates, but this is basically where we're at still. Just the amount there we get in, and then we're going to do the back mount. So that's basically it for now. So as usual, thanks for watching.